tell us where we're at here?
We are at Attic Fanatics in Pahrump. This is the best thrift store antique shopping you could imagine. You're gonna find one of everything and a lot of nothing. And I guarantee you will find something you want to take home with you. It's the best little store in town.
Let me get a picture of the outside here real quick. Yeah.
And they love to negotiate.
We all love to negotiate.
Oh yeah.
After you.
They're from California and visit.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so anytime you want a video, feel free.
Is it okay to photograph you?
Hi.
How you doing? Introduce yourself.
I'm Jenny. I work at Attic Fanatics, the coolest thrift / antique store here in Pahrump.
And how long you been here?
So we'll be celebrating our 14th anniversary in just a month.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How's business?
It's good.
Yeah, has the pandemic affected it?
A little bit. Like, we shut down for a couple of months, but we did a lot of eBay and stuff, so.
Oh, good. Survived.
Yeah.
Glad to see you guys are still in business.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you very much. Okay. Check this place out here.
You'll find all kinds of things.
Watch your step. I think I dated her. Yeah, Ethan's Daily Detox. It's a real good supplement, you know, if you're subject to random drug testing. Alright, so you see any good deals here? Or?
Oh, everything in here is a good deal because the owners love to negotiate, and so do I. So I call this my gold mine.
Oh, you beat them up, don't you?
Oh no, I make it fair for me and for them. So we're both happy. It works every time.
Alright.
How you doing?
Did find this little trinket.
Alive and well, thank you.
I found this little trinket.
Yeah?
It's nice, and I bought this here before, and I got my purse here. So I have several items that I bought here, and I guarantee you got to find something you'll like to take home. Hopefully it won't cost you an arm and a leg, but it can if you
It
like.
could, huh?
They have this one hutch thing that's
When in Pahrump,
$3,000,
go by Attic
but it's
Fanatics and
gorgeous.
see what amazing deals you can
Well,
snag. Vintage, antique, and the kitchen sink, they have everything. Attic Fanatics have a wide variety of used and new items. Additional items weekly. They also buy silver, gold, old sport cards, and coins. Open 7 days a week, Monday to Saturday 9 to 5, Sunday 9 to 4. Family owned and centrally located in Pahrump, they offer the absolute lowest prices in town. Their vast inventory stretches to every department imaginable. Clothing, shoes, kitchen appliances, arts and crafts supplies, furniture, coins, tools, mattresses, home decor, crystal, light fixtures, DVDs, VHS, CDs, kid toys, antiques, knives, swords, and many other collectibles. You know, all information is deemed to be reliable, but not guaranteed. It was difficult finding information about Attic Fanatics on the internet. Click on that little black cat image on the bottom right-hand corner to subscribe to Hawkeye's Tales and Trails. Then you will get notified when new episodes are available. What do you think about that? Hawkeye's videos are shoot from the hip, unscripted documentaries about his and Jeannie's situation. They hope to show you places, things, and events that you may not normally get to see or hear. Then they publish videos on YouTube for you to check out so we all can see what is really going on during the aftermath of the COVID pandemic. It is our recommendation that if you are new to Hawkeye's Tales and Trails, start with episode 1 and then click play all. Share the videos with others. Love you guys. Thank you for watching the videos. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment. Click like, click the black cat to subscribe. I am Pagan Woman Warrior Queen, Calithia. The hostess of Hawkeye's Tales and Trails. Have a great day. And happy treasure hunting.